In this video, we will learn how to create a very basic Rails application. So I'm going to open my terminal. In my case, I am using iTerm. You may use Ubuntu Bash that you have already installed. So here, let's check our Ruby and Rails version at first. I'm using Ruby 2.6.3. and Rails 5.2.4.1. Let's also check our npm version, which one is Node Package Manager, Node version, and also the yarn version, because these stuffs are very important. That's why I'm going to check it. Alright, if you want to create a new project from Ruby on Rails, then you have to use Rails new method. So at first, actually, I'm going to my project directory. Right now I am in home directory, so I'm cd into desktop, and here I will create my new project. In order to create a new project, you have to use Rails new and the app name. In my case, I'm going to use test app. Now, one thing to remember, you can also use Rails new-h for help. It will be displayed all the necessary commands, and we can read all these steps. Also, it is showing the description, like the Rails new command creates a new Rails application with a default directory structure and configuration at the path of you specify. Okay, clear the screen. So I'm inside my desktop, and I'm going to create my new Rails application. Now it will take a couple of seconds to install. In your case, it will take a bit longer than me, because you are going to create the new project for the first time. So just wait until it finished. So my project generation has already completed. Now let's go our Finder. Here you see I have the Rails already have given us a folder containing all the projects and folders and all the necessary things. Now cd into our project folder, test app, and I'm going to open a new window to run our local server. You will also create a new window to run our local server. In my case, I am again in my home directory, so I have to change my directory. And if you want to open the local server, you have to use Rails server or Rails S. In my case, I am using Rails S. You can use Rails S or Rails server. Now it's going to fire up the server. Okay. Meanwhile, I am going to open all my project folders inside my text editor. For Rails development, I am going to use VS Code. You may use VS Code, Atom, or Sublime Text. So I'm going to open my project inside the VS Code. In your case, it may not work. If it doesn't work, then you have to open the file inside your code editor manually. Full screen. Here is all the stuffs that is generated from the application, and most of the time we will be working inside this app directory, and sometimes we will also work inside the gem file. Actually, this is all our dependencies, plugins, libraries, or whatever you say. we will add our gem sets here, and then we will run the bundle install command in order to take effect. Okay, I'm not going to do anything right now. Let's open our terminal. So here you see the notice that listening on TCP localhost 3000. So let's navigate to our browser, localhost 3000. Wow, you are on Rails. Sorry, it's yay, you are on Rails. So you already have installed our first Rails application, and now it's running inside the browser, showing that Rails version and the Ruby version. If you want to turn off the server, then you just press Ctrl+C. It will shut down the server. If you want to run it again, press Rails S. This is how you can generate a very basic application. And in the upcoming videos, we will learn how to customize it, how to use it, how to add some additional features.